Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we will discuss about the select case structure in Excel VBA. Select case structure is very similar to if else structure. In select case structure, the select case will be evaluating a variable and the possible values that variable can have will be evaluated. Okay. So in the place of variable, you can even have an expression. Expression means a calculation, for example. Okay, so this is the structure, or this is how we use it. We will have select case, then the variable name, then case, you will say your first condition and true value 1. So if the condition 1 is satisfied, it will execute the true value 1 and stop. If the condition 1 is not satisfied, it will go to the next condition, case condition 2. So if it is satisfied, it will execute the true value 2. Okay, like that you can write n number of cases, any cases you can write, any number of cases. Then at the end you will have something called a case else, and inside the case else you will place a false value. That means all these cases are not satisfied, then it will be executing whatever you write in the case else section. Okay, so here you see an example. You can see select case achieved. Achieved here is the variable, and we are saying case is greater than 20,001, then status is excellent. Case 50,001 to 20,000, status is best. Case 10,001 to 15,000, status is better. Like that it define each cases. So the achieved is having any value between these ranges, corresponding case block will be executed. If the achieved is not having these values, case else will be executed. Okay, let's try the same with an example. So we have an example sheet here, and we have salesperson name, and there is a box for entering achieved, which is B3, and we have to show the status in C3. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, like, I will switch to Visual Basic Editor, then insert a module, then I will change the name of the module to expression checking. Here I will make a sub sales status. Okay, dim achieved as double, dim status as string. Okay. Then I will take the achieved from this workbook dot sheets of example dot range of, which range? B3. So that value is in the cell B3. Okay, then now we will evaluate this variable, this achieved variable. We will evaluate using the select case structure. Select case achieved, case is greater than 20,000. Then what we want to say? Status is equal to excellent. So here in temporarily I am storing the status in STS variable, and finally I will put it back to Excel. So case 15,001 to 20,000. Okay, then status is equal to best. Okay, and I will say case 10,001 to 15,000, then status is equal to what? Better. Finally, case 5,001 to 10,000, then status is equal to good. Right, then if that is not the case, that is case else, then status is equal to bad. Okay, then same like end if, we will give end select. End select replace end if. So now we have taken the achieved amount from the Excel sheet range B3 and we evaluated the achieved amount, and based on the evaluation, status variable will be having the status, right? Okay, so still the value is in the status variable. We need to put it back to Excel. So we can say like this workbook dot sheets of example dot range of what C3 equals STS. What does that mean? That means like make the C3 range as status. So I will go back to Excel and right click, assign macro, then sales status. So now I have to assign the macro. Now I'm giving the status as 25,000, and when I click check, it gives me the value excellent. And if I give 16,000, then it best, and if it is 8,000, then it is good, then if it is 2,000, then it is bad. It works. So there is no much difference between if, else and select a case. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.